Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so you won't stall later. Install DTS Monaco as admin and load the license. This unlocks modules you need. Once done, plug your NIT or ICOM interface and check Windows reports the device. The software expects a 169, 254, X or assigned USB route. Make sure the vehicle ignition is on and the battery is healthy so ECUs respond. These first actions remove common blockers and get you into the tool quickly. You now establish a session and choose the exact database for your model because variant mismatches break coding. Start by reading the VIN and let DTS map all control units. That gives you the topology and available functions. Next, export FA/VO and perform a full backup of coding before touching parameters. When changing modules, apply edits one module at a time and use the read/write workflow so you can verify responses and avoid cascading fault. You finish by writing changes and then running a full scan to confirm no new fault codes. This ensures the vehicle state matches your edits. After writing, test the actual functions and monitor live data to validate behavior. Software says success, but the road test confirms it. If something goes wrong, restore the FA/VO backup you saved, power cycle the vehicle or battery, and rescan. Make sure cables and interface drivers are intact. Those are the usual culprits when communications fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.